They told you brain fog is just part of getting older, right? Sis, they lied to you. What's happening in your brain during perimenopause isn't a decline, it's a reset. And today I'm going to show you how you can hack it. Welcome to Sisterhood with Dr. Mo. If you watched my last video on brain fog, you already know how real and frustrating brain fog is. Forgetting names, losing your train of thought mid-sentence, feeling like your brain just doesn't belong to you anymore. That was part 1. Today's video is part 2, and we're going to talk about how to take your mind back. And I'm going to list 5 hacks that will help. Don't forget to download your free companion guide at the end of this video. The link will be listed in the description below. Hack number 1 is called the clarity sprint. Your brain is in this season loves short bursts, not marathons. So instead of pushing through hours of fog, set a timer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Pick one task, sis. Just one task. No multitasking, no superwoman powers, and give that one thing everything you've got. When the timer ends, breathe, reset, and go again if you need to. Each sprint reminds your brain. It tells it, I can focus. I am in control. Hack number 2 is called the vision walk. Some people online call it a Delulu walk. Cute. But here, we're going to call it a vision walk because this isn't fantasy, it's faith. So I want you to step outside, shoulders back, held high. And you walk at the woman as you're becoming. How does she carry herself? What energy does she bring into the room? Walk in her. Your brain doesn't know the difference between vision and reality. So when you embody that woman, when you embody her, you rewire your brain. Hack number 3 is your brain field choice. You are what you eat, and what you eat literally feeds or fogs your mind. Yes. So think omega-3s, think leafy greens, think berries, get more hydration. These aren't just diet tips, they're brain hacks, and each choice whispers to your brain, I choose clarity over chaos. Even small swaps can give you back focus. Number 4 is what I call the morning anchor thought. Sis, we live in a noisy world right now. So before the world gets loud, write one thought that you want to carry into your day. Something like, I am not broken, I am rewiring, or my clarity is coming back to me. Repeat it, sis. Protect it. Your brain will build around whatever thought you anchor in first. The last and 5th hack is what I call the breath reset. So when brain fog hits, your cortisol is usually spiking. It's high, right? A simple breath reset, like box breathing, when you inhale 4 for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, tells your nervous system to calm down. Clarity can return. So just 2 minutes of intentional breathing can sharpen focus, probably better than another cup of tea or coffee. Sis, don't forget to download your free companion guide listed in the description below. Fogginess isn't proof, sis, you're losing yourself. It's proof your brain is asking for new wiring. You're not broken, you're being upgraded, and each of these 5 hacks that I listed is how you remind yourself of that truth. And if you did not watch my last video on brain fog, click on this video to watch it, and it will explain why all this is happening, and then come back here so we can keep stacking these hacks to do better. Together, they're your roadmap to clarity. Sis, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Sisterhood today. Sis, thank you so much for watching. Sending you all my love and strength. Until next time, stay healthy.